Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is an original made-up question not found in textbooks. What is the sum of forces acting on a vehicle when it is traveling at a constant speed of 90 kilometers per hour on a flat road and a hilly road? The answer is 0 forces for both A and B. Acceleration requires a change in velocity over time. It's constant velocity, so there is no change in velocity. So that means there is no acceleration. We can look at it from a formula point of view. So let's dive a little bit deeper. So we've got force is equal to mass times acceleration. F is equal to ma. So A, in this case, acceleration is 0 because velocity is 0 due to it being constant. So the triangle here, the symbol, is delta, meaning change. So there is no change. So that means it is 0. So anything 0 divided by anything will be 0. So that's why acceleration is 0, meaning the force will be 0. Okay. So before we wrap up, I encourage you to save this video just in case the channel or this video gets taken down for whatever reason. So you know the drill. Use your snipping tool and you can pause the video and read the steps. I've got pictures to show you. And just follow the steps. Click on the video button, click on new, left click drag on the YouTube screen, and then click the start button on the top middle, and then wait for the countdown. Click the replay button. When the video finishes, click the red square to stop recording, and then save your video. Alright, like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Share with your friends, because this is not found in the textbook, so they won't know how to find this. Until next time, see ya.